In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to make custom moveset in Realm Rampage and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, a lot of these sorts of experiences in games on Roblox have some form of custom moveset maker, including Jujutsu Shenanigans as one of the prime examples. You might be curious if you are able to make custom movesets and different characters on Realm Rampage. So when you join the experience, you will be able to click this icon at the top to enable build mode. So under the general category, the very first option should be build mode like this. Again, you need to be on a private server. When you enter build mode, you will see all of this overlay with a bunch of toggles. You can load 4 presets of builds that you've made, and you will have the options to place, move, resize, rotate, delete, and lock. Now, even though you can place parts, zip lines like these, and even spawn points, you will notice that regardless of what you do, when you try to click on these, you browse through all of the options, you see all of the properties, none of them refer to actual characters. And even if you try one of the other buttons, you try modifying the values, locking specific items into place, and regardless, nothing will give you the option to actually change the moveset of characters. So as it stands today, is it completely impossible? Do you have to go over to a specific menu? Do you need Private Server Plus? Well, according to all the research that I did, it is simply a feature that doesn't exist, unlike JJK that allows you, or Jujutsu Shenanigans that allows you to place down the moveset block and assign different moves to it. Realm Rampage lacks that feature. If you know of a way, please let us know in the comment section below, but unfortunately, it seems like this isn't going to be an option unless they add it in the future. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that unlike other experiences, Realm Rampage lacks the custom moveset tools that other experiences have. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like. And another thing before I end is that as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If this video answered any questions that you had, I highly count on your subscription. It helps us make higher quality videos, so I appreciate if you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.